Hello friends, today we are going to make this sweet paniyaaram and sweet dosa. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 1 cup wheat flour, 1 cup jaggery, 2 teaspoon grated coconut, 1 by 4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, pinch of salt. Switch on the flame. We have to melt this jaggery by adding little water, then only it will melt quickly. This is the consistency. No need to wait for one sting consistency. Just melt the jaggery, that is enough. Now our jaggery melted well. Now we can add this into wheat flour. Now we have to filter this jaggery liquid into this wheat flour. Mix it well to this flour. Now we can add little water to this mixture. I'll show you the consistency. I mixed it well. This is a perfect consistency to make the Kuli paniyaaram, that is sweet paniyaaram. Now we can add coconut, that is grated coconut, into this. Mixed it well. Add pinch of salt. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix this well. We mixed it well. It's ready to make a sweet paniyaaram. Heat this pan. Add some oil to this. Heat this oil. Now we can pour that batter into this. Pour the batter slowly. Let it cook in medium flame. Now we can take this out. After 1 minute we can take this out. For sweet dosa, first we have to heat this dosa pan. Pour some oil. Now we are going to pour that batter into this. Our sweet dosa is getting ready. Let's wait for to taste. Now we can flip it. Let it cook for a minute. That's it. Our dosa is ready, sweet dosa. Our sweet paniyaaram is ready and sweet dosa also ready. Try this recipe at your home and enjoy the taste. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel and click bell icon.